Welcome to our stunning autumn ribbon collection. Let's dive into these beautiful seasonal designs. Autumn truck filled with pumpkin series. These playful harvest truck loaded with vibrant pumpkins bring a nostalgic touch to your fall decor and iconic scenes for the season. Next, the maple leaf design series showcase the rich autumn colors. Dark yellow, orange, green perfectly capture the essence of fall as the leaves turn in the renewed season. Moving on, we have the maple leaf falling for fall patterns featuring playful and intricate design of maple leaves, pumpkin, and more. These calm and quiet autumn motifs are perfect for crafting and decorating with a warm seasonal touch. The autumn leaf patterns takes a broader approach with darker tones of maple leaves accented by a touch of glitter. Make it ideal for adding a bit of sparkle elegance to your fall project. The Autumn Pumpkin Festive collection celebrates the harvest season with beautiful pumpkins and sunflowers, adding brightness and charm to any autumn decorations. Then we have pumpkin parties, a lively mix of glittery, checkered, and various-sized pumpkin design, perfect for creating clear and bold statement in your seasonal decoration. And last but not least, the Worst Design ribbon is an elegant, straightforward way to embrace fall, featuring word shapes and warm autumn greetings that add a cozy, welcoming touch to any settings. Together, we enhance our seasonal craft and decoration with our versatile and beautiful autumn ribbon collections.